so I'm on a VIP day with Chip and Debbie. Yay! And we just looked at this gorgeous house here. Can y'all see that out there? We're on our way to look at another house, and we'll let you know what we learned from that one. Yay! I have to say that I am so proud of the Brauners. Chip and Debbie have been with me in First Still Done Fast since before it was First Still Done Fast. The Bronner family goes way back with the Niceleys, and Chip even told me that one reason that they joined the mastermind was because they went through First Still Done Fast a couple years ago and it just wasn't enough, right? They wanted the mastermind because it was more attention, it was more involvement, and I'm so proud of them because after we go look at this house, we're gonna go see their triplex and both of their duplexes. They bought 3 properties while they were with me in the mastermind. They've got 7 doors, and a lot of times that's what it takes is when you're with me more often, you're with the rest of the mastermind girls more often, then you're just more inclined to get these deals done. Chip and Debbie have been with me since the beginning. But bumping on up and saying it's now or never, they went from 0 to 7 in less than a year. And I'm so proud of them. Keep going, guys. You're doing an awesome job. Yay! We're here. Nice button. What does that say?
It says, I buy houses.
Yay! I love it. 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 Y'all did great.
Now this is the tricky lock.
You have to show me that move one more time. Yes, and how many layers of floor were in here?
7.
7! Nice. I love it.
So
Or, no, it was. I swept out a couple of the rooms.
okay.
Smile. Very good.
But for the money and the potential, I do like this place better.
Yes.
So you won't freak out.
But I love this yard that you've got, and you've got both these duplexes right here together, and they were probably built together and somehow they got sold separate, but now they're back together. I'm so proud of y'all. You've done a fantastic job.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a
Woohoo!
porch light put up.
Want porch light front? Yeah.
We are driving for dollars now, and we have found like an entire subdivision of duplexes, y'all. Go driving for dollars. This is amazing. Look at this stuff.
See, they got spider webs.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the first duplex that y'all looked at when you started looking out at Oak Ridge. And what made you decide not to do this deal?
He didn't want to accept it, so.
Okay, awesome, but you tried.
We tried.
And this is gorgeous and a great little area of duplexes.
But we put it in the calculator that Jason gave us at the apartment blitz, and it didn't go at his. The market was not going to handle rents that would allow us to make the payment, much less make the payment and have some cash flow.
That's the name of the game, baby.
We put in the offer that would give us cash flow. God love him.
Yay! Now we're on Chickamauga at the triplex. Woohoo! Let's go look inside. Chip, Debbie, listen. Y'all have found some amazing properties. Like, we're here at the triplex now. This is an old house that's now a triplex, and it's amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous. Y'all are finding some of the best properties that I never knew existed, and I used to ride around in this neighborhood. I am so proud of these deals that you're doing and the way that you have really focused in the last year to be able to say, I am a real estate investor. I am so proud of y'all. You are super successful real estate investors, and I can't wait to get in here and see what you've got and see what else you're gonna buy next year. I am not gonna cry. Debbie, Chip, I am so proud of y'all. I remember when Chip started First Living Fast 3 years ago, and I remember him being on the calls, and I remember the houses he was looking at, and I remember talking to him, and I remember thinking, this is not gonna make enough money. And today, seeing the duplexes that you've bought, you've closed on, that you're running, seeing that triplex and that neighborhood, and then going and driving for dollars and finding more opportunities for y'all to flip in a fantastic neighborhood. I am so proud of you. I am so excited for you. Like, y'all have found not one, but 2 honey holes. And I know it took you a couple months longer than you wanted it to, but it all worked out so perfectly. Everything worked out so perfectly. And now you're set up to be private money lenders. Now you are successful real estate investors. Now you have all the tools that you need to analyze properties. And, you know, we looked at that one duplex that we lost the deal on, and that wasn't your deal, y'all. That wasn't your deal. But then you got the other deal and then the one next to it, because that was your deal. Every no leads to a yes. And I am so glad and so grateful that you were willing to stick it out with me and go through all those no's. Even 3 years ago when Chip was driving around and looking at houses and I was going, no, please don't buy that. Please don't do that. Please don't. Please. Now it makes so much sense. All right. And y'all have been in the mastermind with me for less than a year, and you went from 0 houses. You've been trying to buy houses and duplexes and do all these things to supplement your retirement. You've been trying, listening to podcasts and trying, researching for 2 or 3 years. And in less than a year, you bought 3 properties, 7 doors. Lots of landlords don't do that in their entire lifetime, and you did it in less than a year. And I am so proud of you. And I know that this is going to benefit the girls, it's going to benefit Kurt, it's going to benefit Ben and all the other little folks that are going to come along with him to play with him and keep him entertained and out of trouble. You're truly setting up generational wealth. And I love it. And I love you guys so much. Like, I know I say it all the time and I'm proud of you, but I really am. The moves that you've made this year is going to change everything. It's going to change everything. Everything in your life, everything in your friends' lives, the way that y'all have been able to share what you're doing with your friends in North Dakota and in Florida, and the way that you've showed your kids what you're doing and how they can make money outside of their job. You have no idea how far that will go for you and for them, and how much it will strengthen your family for decades and generations. Y'all keep going. Buy 7 more next year, or buy 7 more doors in the next 6 months. Either way, I am so proud of you, and I know you're going to do an awesome job, and I love you, Debbie. I love you. I am so excited that you allowed me to come on this journey with you. I appreciate all of our calls, all of our one-on-one calls. I love having you in the mastermind because you are such a ray of sunshine to cheer on everybody else, and I love that about you. And Chip, you are a great compliment to Debbie, and I'm super proud of both of you. I can't wait to see I can't wait to see what you do next year and in 5 years. Y'all are the real deal, and you are deal makers. And I love you to pieces. Let's go make some money, honey. Woohoo! Hey, one last thing. Kurt, Stephanie, Jenny, your parents are absolute rock stars. I hope you know that. I'm sure you do know that, but I just want to tell you again. Thanks for allowing me into the Bronner family. I'm honored.